Yeah, please, sir.
For the press interaction today, I shall briefly
I would like to compliment all the agencies who are working towards peace in the valley, which includes both the security forces as well as the civil administration. We are all working as one. We are looking at this process as a whole of the nation approach. My compliments, especially to all the security forces, who have been successful in the recent operations. The Jammu and Kashmir Police, the CRPF, and the units on ground of the Indian Army. They have done wonderfully. We have had a spate of successful operations, with the latest one which was conducted over the last 24 hours plus, in which we have got 8 terrorists neutralized in 2 different operations. I must specifically make a mention of the one in which we neutralized 3 terrorists, which was next to the mosque. Extreme restraint was exercised by the security forces to ensure that no damage was caused to the structure. I must also make a mention here that with every operation that is being concluded, we are moving on the path of peace. I can feel it on ground. There is a palpable difference that at the end of every operation, the next operation is taking place under much cleaner circumstances, if you can put it. And for this, I would also compliment the Awam of Kashmir, because they are believing in peace. And it is their belief in peace which is leading to these successful operations. And I'm sure at the end of the next few months, we will be able to take this peace process forward and ensure that normalcy is brought into the environment. In the last few months, in fact, beginning of this year, we have had almost 102 terrorists neutralized. And because of the professional manner in which these operations have been conducted, we have had just 1 or 2 civilian casualties, which means that the security forces have exercised extraordinary restraint. And that is because we want to retain that connect with the Awam. And I would like to commit here that all of us will continue to conduct our operations in a manner where we cause minimal inconvenience to the environment. Another important message I want to give here is that of the 49 new recruits who got enrolled into the rank of terrorist tanzeems, 27 have been neutralized. I would like to say here that it doesn't give us any pleasure to neutralize these young boys. But if anybody takes up arms and is causing harm to others, we will do what we are doing. But to stop this whole process, a large number of steps are being taken. Before the operations actually get implemented, we are making further appeals to the militants to surrender. We have had limited success on this front, but where we have been very successful, and I must compliment the security forces here, is our ability to prevent new recruitment as well as to identify those people who are on the cusp of recruitment. We have been successful here. So my appeal to all the people in the environment, please look out for any signs of people wanting to join tanzeems. Come to us for help. We will ensure that these people are appropriately taken care of, are rehabilitated, and no harm comes to them. The youth of the valley have much brighter future than joining terrorist tanzeems. In the end, I would like to assure everybody that the situation on the line of control and in the hinterland is stable. We will ensure that there will be no misadventure, both from outside of the line of control as well as within the valley. And will ensure that the situation is kept more normal, and the people of the valley will be able to go about their job in the most normal manner.